Welcome to RSSIfyMe.com, where we use automation to help you with your quest for domination in your internet marketing efforts. We do this by combining RSS, website automation, and proven marketing systems. Whenever we tell anybody about RSSIfyMe, one of the first questions we get is, well, what is RSS? RSS just stands for really simple syndication. And what RSS actually does is make data portable. What this does for publishers is allow them to reach a bigger audience by having their content syndicated on multiple other websites. For publishers, RSS is a great source of rapidly updated on-topic content. You can use RSS feeds and display them as HTML on your website. What that means is that the search engines will see the content that comes from RSS on your website as static content and include it in the index and in the cache of your website. The beauty of this, though, is that every time the source of the RSS is updated, the feed is updated, and therefore the content on your website is updated automatically. All of this means that properly used RSS can be used to create websites that look fresh and constantly updated with almost no ongoing attention. Where do you find RSS feeds to use on your website? They can be found in a plethora of locations, including things like news aggregators. These are things like Yahoo News and Topics.net. Authority websites often have RSS feeds that are available from them. Just about every blog on the planet has an RSS feed. There's news-based websites with RSS feeds. There's article directories that have RSS feeds, and there's forums and news groups with RSS feeds. And then blog search engines like Google Blog Search and Technorati.com offer RSS feeds as part of their search feature. What this means is, as a web publisher, you have the ability to include content about any subject or niche, even the smallest, most microscopic niche that's out there, on your website with real-time updates, always ready to go, and always ready for the search engines and for web visitors. So, what's the problem with typical RSS feed use? Why do you need a product like RSSIfyMe? Why not just use a little bit of code and throw RSS content on your blog or on your website? Well, the problem with that is there's thousands of websites out there that are simply repurposing content of others by using RSS feeds today, which leads to duplicate content problems with the search engines, and that'll ultimately result in low ranking. As you can see in the diagram on this slide, what happens is Site 1 is the content creator, and then there's feeds from multiple sites, Syndicator 1, Syndicator 2, Syndicator 3. Google, Yahoo, Bing, all the search engines will only consider one source, the original source of the content. That one will get the preferential ranking for terms. The other sites will be devalued and seen as simply doing what they're actually doing, syndicating the content of another website. To deal with this problem, what we've done at RSSIfyMe is quite revolutionary. We've allowed you to combine multiple RSS feeds into one new piece of original content. In the example here, that you'll see that there's 3 feeds, and then each feed is contributing a given number of items. So that the most recent 2 items from feed 1 are displayed, then the most recent 3 items from feed 2 are displayed, and 1 item is displayed from feed 3. They're passed through RSSIfyMe, and they're displayed on your website as new original content. The best way to do this is to use some static content on your web page that doesn't change often, then display the feed from RSSIfyMe, and then a little bit of additional static content at the bottom. What's even cooler is that our premium members gain access to features that allow them to combine far more than 3 feeds, in fact, up to 12 feeds, change the look and feel of the content so it will blend into any website, be displayed at any width or any common font that you want, and even randomization so that, let's say the first time the page loads, it will display feed 1, 2, and 3, just like they are on this slide. Well, the next time the page loads, it might display the feeds in the order of 2, 3, 1, the next time 3, 1, 2, and it keeps doing that with, again, up to 12 feeds for our premium members. What this means is that the content will never appear the same. Not only are we combining multiple pieces of content from multiple sources with you in complete control of how they're displayed, but we're even changing how the content is seen and displayed every single time the page loads. This is a revolutionary technique that up till now has only been available to people with advanced programming capability. Today, all all you need is a website that runs in PHP, and you can use RSSifyMe simply by dropping your feeds into the form on the left, generating them, and pasting them into any page that uses PHP. And if you use WordPress, there's a great piece of news for you. Just install a little plugin called Run PHP, and you can use this with the popular WordPress blogging platform as well. So how do you get started? Well, first of all, it's completely free. Try it right now. Go get some feeds, drop them into the boxes to your left, hit RSSify, and see how they come out. If you want to get additional features, including control of the font size, the colors, the font types, things like that, go ahead and register for free. You'll get some additional features. If you don't want any ads or links embedded in your feeds, become a premium member, and for a very low cost, you'll have additional features. You can find more features by clicking the features link in the navigation bar above. Then just start building niche-based websites. Build as many as you want. We'll keep them running for you with our patented technology. Then consider purchasing RSS Builder. That will increase the speed at which you can produce your websites. Tell us about features you would like added. We believe in serving the user base here. If you tell us about a cool feature and we can figure out how to make it happen, we'll add it into the platform. Realize that RSSifyMe is highly advanced, but it is not magic. You'll still need to build some links into your new niche websites to make sure they get good indexing and good treatment from the search engines. Once that's done, though, all you have to do is monetize and optimize your sites. And the beauty is with RSSifyMe, you can easily build a website a week about any topic known to man. Once you start doing that work, you'll soon have your own complete portfolio of websites, and you'll be able to use automation to provide domination in your internet marketing efforts with RSSifyMe.